Good evening, everyone. It's an honor in itself to greet this beautiful audience who has gathered here.
I would like to thank you all for giving us your prime time.
Cheers and thrill filled the air as students of pre-primary section of Pawar Public School, Nanded City is going to perform today's annual gathering. India is land of diversity and unity. Through this event, we try to show culture and heritage of India. The incredible India!
We are hopeful that this program will be able to bound the Indian culture at its full splendor and bring the feeling of patriotism through dances, drama, and music.
Now I request our respected principal ma'am and all the dignitaries to light the lamp.
वक्रतुंड
महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोऽस्तुते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
Thank you, ma'am.
Before we proceed to explore India, I would like to request Principal Ma'am to say few words.
Thank you, my dear students. Good evening and namaste to all my dear parents, all the grandparents also who have gathered here, all the teachers from Pawar Public School, Nanded City, and all the primary and secondary class students who are here today. It's my pleasure to welcome all of you on this auspicious occasion of the annual day of the pre-primary section of our school. Parents, I hope you know that the teachers have trained 300 plus children to be on stage today. And it's not only about today. Yesterday there was another set of 300 children. And tomorrow there will be another set of 300 standard 1 children. So it has been a mammoth task for all our teachers, our dance department, music department, and everybody, all our maushis, dadas, the student council members whom you will see helping us. I'm not here to give you any lecture because I know all of you are waiting to see the tiny tots, our little stars on the stage. But I would just like to draw your attention to my first point. It's about storytelling. What we have seen nowadays is children are lacking in their knowledge of stories from our great epics, from Aesop's tales, from the Panchatantra, and many more series that we have in India, and not only stories from India, but stories from outside as well. So parents, a request, कळकळीची विनंती तुम्हाला की तुम्ही प्लीज मुलांना गोष्टी सांगा. Please read from books, not digital stories, not from digital content, not from the Kindle. Although it's a style now and it's a fashion now, not to read from hard copy books and to read from Kindle. Children learn by imitating all of you. They like to imitate their mothers and fathers and even the grandparents. So whatever you do, if you can become a role model for them, whatever good or bad things that you do, they are going to imitate. So if you start reading a book, definitely on the second or third day, the child is going to ask you for his book, his or her book. So please make it a point to read to them and with them. All right? I don't know if many of you know that the school library is also open to parents on Saturdays. All right? So please make use of the facility that we are giving you. One more point, very, very important, especially since we are observing so many children, thousands and thousands of children, and all of us teachers keep interacting with principals and teachers from other schools. The main issue is the children, they do not know the meaning of the word no. You cannot do this thing. This thing is bad manners. Something like that. So parents, whenever you see your child misbehaving, whether in the school, at home, in the community, when they go for weddings and other, social occasions, if you see that your children are really behaving very badly, please try to control them. They will understand, no doubt. I've been telling the senior teachers, secondary school teachers and primary school teachers that the children were so well behaved, our pre-primary children were so well behaved when they were practicing for these events. They were listening to their teachers most of the times. Similarly, they will listen to you also if you only attempt to control them, and it is for their own good. It's not for you and I. All right, you are all adults, we are all adults over here. But you have to have the courage. I think nowadays, some parents are too scared of their children. You may not, you may wonder what I'm saying, parents being scared of the children, but that's a fact actually. All right? Today, this year for the first time, our coordinators and the HMs in some cases, they are going to present the annual report for the school. So I request Geetu Mathavan ma'am, the coordinator for pre-primary senior KG, to please come up and read out the annual report. God bless each one of you and all of our dear children with good health and happiness. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening and namaste to one and all present here. It is my immense pleasure to present before you the annual report of Pawar Public School, Nanded City for the academic year 2023-24. It is rightly said that learning gives wings to creativity, creativity leads to thinking, thinking provides a path to gain knowledge, and knowledge inspires one to achieve greatness. In this journey of helping our students to achieve their highest goals, we have successfully marked 10 glorious years of Pawar Public School, Nanded City. Firstly, let me present the achievements of our students from primary and secondary section. This academic session began with the orientation program for the parents as a regular practice. The parents were enlightened with the education scheme that we follow along with knowledge of NEP 2020 and FLN. Few FLN activities conducted and will be conducted in future years as well. They are as follows. Ek Bharat, Shreshth Bharat initiative was seamlessly integrated into different classrooms, offering students unique opportunities to explore and celebrate the rich diversity of our nation. Our library reading sessions offer students a quiet and enriching space, encouraging a love for reading and fostering a lifelong habit of learning. Wall reading exploring different stories. Through rhythmic techniques, students are introduced to the world of rhymes, poems, fostering language development and creative expressions. Experiential learning is beautifully integrated into our curriculum, offering students hands-on opportunities to apply theoretical knowledge in real-world scenarios. This year, we were privileged to witness the talent of storybook writers whose narratives enriched our literary landscape. Students participated enthusiastically in diverse roles and performances during the annual day, contributing to the grand success of the event. Our school celebrates multilingualism by promoting the use of various languages, creating a rich linguistic environment for students. April month witnessed a STEM session, that is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. The output of the session was learning concepts of physics and math through a newspaper tower making activity. Our students participated enthusiastically in various sports events held by Zila Parishad. They proved their excellence there as well. Lakshya Foundation organized the event Mera Desh, Meri Pehchan. Our school students won first prize for poster making during this event. The real heroes of the Kargil war stole the show and shared their real-life experiences with our students. Inter-school and inter-house competitions such as quiz, declamation, drawing, and dance competitions were conducted. Our students took part in various inter-school competitions and brought laudable laurels to the school. Guru Foundation instilled the value of ecosystem conservation by giving seeds to our students. They sowed the seeds and took care of saplings. Later, saplings were handed over to the forest department for planting. Recently, our students have brought laurels to the school by achieving first prize in state-level inter-school dance competition, Nritya Malhar, under the open dance category, and second prize under classical dance style. Now let us see the glimpses of our pre-primary activities. School celebrated the year of 2023-24 as the year of mindfulness. All the academic and co-curricular activities are planned considering the theme. Young learners of pre-primary sections were on the journey of learning multiple 21st century skills like communication, creativity, critical thinking, collaboration, social skills, responsibility, etc. throughout the year. The pre-primary section has successfully hosted events like Grandparents' Day, Bonfire, and MasterChef, where students inculcated values and skills like teamwork, togetherness, sharing, gratitude, and respecting elders. Celebrations of World Environmental Day, Yoga Day, Rashtriya Khel Divas, and Independence Day were celebrated by children performing skillful activities such as sowing seeds, mindful meditation with yoga exercises, fun races, and rigorous exercises. Role-play activities like Faces of India and Speech on Incredible India helped our young ones to present themselves confidently in front of the audience. Every month, school has followed a theme such as Month of Patriotism, Joy of Giving, and many more. Keeping in mind the theme of July month, a session on road safety was arranged for the students. Hands-on experiencing learning made students aware of safety rules, which will make them responsible citizens of our country. We as a school aim to make our students global citizens, the value that will give the path to a successful life journey and inculcated here by laying a strong foundation. Towards the end, I thank our principal ma'am and the supportive management whose strong and valuable support has enabled the school to come this far. Teachers and the entire staff members also deserve applause for their tireless efforts in imparting quality education here. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to the parents of our students who have shown faith in us by allowing us to transform their children into truly sensible citizens of the future. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring words.
O Lord Ganesha, to whom we worship at the beginning of every event, to set the tone for a positive and fruitful outcome. Lord Ganesha is also known as Vignaharta, God of wisdom and creator of positivity and harmony.
Let us pray to Lord Ganesha and welcome senior KG children to perform a prayer dance on the song Sukha Karta Dukha Harta.
गणपती बाप्पा मोरया पुढच्या वर्षी लवकर या सर्वांगी सुंदर उदिशेंदुराची कंठी झळके माळ मुक्ता फळाची जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती हो श्री मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव जय देव
लंबोदर तू विनायका तू बल्लौडेश्वर मोरया विघ्नेश्वर तू एकदंत तू मयूरेश्वरा मोरया वक्रतुंड तू गजमुखा तू सिद्धि विनायका विघ्नराज तू महाताज तू महेशाय तू मोरया चिंतामणि तू सिद्धिनायक गणाधीशाय मोरया वक्रतुंड तू गजमुखा तू सिद्धि विनायका वक्रतुंड तू गजमुखा तू सिद्धि विनायका गजानन 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 गणराय गजानन 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 गणराय गजानन 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 गणराय गजानन 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 गणराय
Come on, audience, let's clap for them.
गणपती बाप्पा मोरया.
Ganpati Bappa Moria. It was indeed a very beautiful performance. Now let us proceed to explore the unexplored parts of our very own India. Hey girls, with that I remember I have my friends coming to stay with me for a few days. Why? Anything special?
Yes, they're coming from Germany.
Germany? How come? Actually, my school runs cultural exchange program, and as a part of this program, few children from Germany are here in India, and one of them, named Kevin, will be staying at my place. How exciting! We would like to meet him.
Yes, definitely. Come on, let's go home and see if he has come.
Come on, let us go! Papa, Sherman has still not arrived. I'm worried. Don't worry, Arnav. He will be here soon. I will open the door. Ah, Sherman, finally here you are. I was eagerly waiting for you. Hello, Sherman. How are you? Hi, I am fine. You must be I. Am I right? Absolutely correct. And you must be Baba, correct? Yes, and how was your journey? It was good. And you must be Kuras Aji. And this little must be Siri, the prettiest. Oh, thank you. I hurry up. I am getting late. Yes, Siri, we will leave in some time. Don't you worry. Wow, you're looking so beautiful. Anything special today?
Sherman, it's her annual day today, and you know, it's about the incredible India.
Okay, is this the costume? It's so different.
Yes, she's representing Himachal Pradesh, one of the states of India.
Papa, can we take Sharman with us for the annual day? Yes, why not? Great, that's exciting.
Come on, kids, let's get ready for annual day, the incredible India.
Sherman, Arnav and his family reaches school.
Wow, your school is huge. Thank you, Sharman. Let's go and enjoy the annual day.
Hello everyone, today we have annual gathering of our tiny tots in the school.
We will see India through their innocent eyes. Let us welcome our little Indians from different parts of India.
Yeah, Maya. Yes, right. Let us go to Goa.
Let us welcome our little girls from nursery E-class to perform a dance on the song.
A kind request to all the parents to appreciate our tiny toddlers. Come on, a huge round of applause there.
Ani ao Santa Tuca, mucha mama. Ani ao Santa Tuca, ani mazoriच्या पिलाला घेऊन सेल मडिनाचा. Ani mazoriच्या पिलाला घेऊन सेल मडिनाचा. Undir mama ailo, ani pachi pona liplo. Undir mama ailo, ani pachi pona liplo. Ani mazoriच्या पिलाला taka yaka kasa hailo. Ani mazoriच्या पिलाला taka yaka kasa hailo. Ya ya maya ya, 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 ya ya maya ya. Morgoa teu yager, mezcala redondo. Morgoa teu yager, mezcala redondo. Tajerek chidu na tota, vakane korun pendo. Tajerek chidu na tota, vakane korun pendo. Takayoko pakaloceta, burakan dalun tondu. Takayoko pakaloceta, burakan dalun tondu. Are pakler choi na kai re chedun bail rando. Are pakler choi na kai re chedun bail rando. Ya ya maya ya, 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 ya ya maya ya. Maya ya,
কেমন আছো? ভালো? Let's go and attend Durga Puja in Kolkata, Amra Bangla. Please welcome my colleague Indian Bandhu from the nursery class to perform a dance on the song Dak Baja.
ঢাক বাজা কাসর বাজা উলু দে আর শাখ বাজা বছর পরে আবার এলো মাঝে পুজো পুজো গন্ধ নিয়ে নতুন গানের ছন্দ নিয়ে শারদিয়ায় খুশিতে মন নাচে এলো 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 মা দুর্গা মা আরে এলো 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 মা দুর্গা মা হে ঢাক বাজা কাসর বাজা উলু দে আর শাখ বাজা বছর পরে আবার এলো মাঝে পুজো পুজো গন্ধ নিয়ে নতুন গানের ছন্দ নিয়ে শারদিয়ায় খুশিতে মন নাচে এলো 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 মা দুর্গা মা আরে এলো 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 মা দুর্গা মা বলো দুর্গা মাই কি বলো দুর্গা মাই কি আরে বলো দুর্গা মাই কি মা তুমি যে মা তোমার স্নেহ মায়ার নেই তুলনা সপ্তমীতে তোমারে আসনে দিলাম এই অল্পনা নতুন জামা নতুন শাড়ি ঘরে পুজো বারো আরে সবকিছুতে প্রেম জড়িয়ে আছে পুজো পুজো গন্ধ নিয়ে নতুন গানের ছন্দ নিয়ে শারদিয়ায় খুশিতে মন নাচে
Come on, audience. Let's clap for them.
দুর্গা আরে এলো 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 মা দুর্গা বড় লোকের বেটি লো লম্বা লম্বা চুল এমন মাথায় বেঁধে দেব দেব বড় লোকের বেটি লো লম্বা লম্বা চুল এমন মাথায় বেঁধে দেব লাল গেন্দা ফুল বড় লোকের বেটি লো লম্বা লম্বা চুল এমন মাথায় বেঁধে দেব লাল গেন্দা ফুল বড় লোকের বেটি লো লম্বা লম্বা চুল এমন মাথায় বেঁধে দেব লাল গেন্দা ফুল
খুব ভালো পারফরম্যান্স What a basic dance! ও জাগতে ফাটে ও বল্লে বল্লে Come on, let's go to the Punjab, land of farmers. Now let us welcome our little Punjabi Gabru and Mutiar from the Sri G to perform dance on the song Rang De Pasandi.
थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी मेरे वतन की थोड़ी सी खुशबू बाराई से मस्त पवन की थोड़ी सी धौंकने वाली धक 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 सांसें जिनमें हो जुनू जुनू वो बूंदे लाल लहू की ये सब तू मिला मिला ले फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले ये सब तू मिला मिला ले फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले और मोए बसंती मोहे मोहे तू रंग दे 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 बसंती मोहे रंग दे बसंती बसंती रंग दे बसंती मोहे रंग दे बसंती बसंती रंग दे बसंती
Come on, audience, let's hear it for them.
याद च तेरी मैं तां जागा रातां नूं रोक न पावां अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातां नूं तारे गिन गिन याद च तेरी मैं तां जागा रातां नूं रोक न पावां अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातां नूं ओ हो हो इश्क तेरा तड़पावे
Please welcome our children from nursery age to perform a dance on the song Hey Shubharam. आप जाएंगे गुजरात केम छो मजामा Please welcome our children from nursery age to perform a dance on the song Hey Shubharam.
हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई
रास रचिलो साज सजिलो शुभ घड़ी छे आवी आछा आछा टमटमाता शमणाओ छे लावी ओ लावी ओ लावी
बेथलपुर माँ सुन ले ओ छोरिया झूमे नगरिया जब जब ये घूमे कमर यार तारी कमरिया कमर यार तारी कमरिया बेथलपुर माँ सुन ले ओ छोरिया झूमे नगरिया जब जब ये घूमे कमर यार तारी कमरिया कमर यार तारी कमरिया फंकी फीलिंग है क्यों होना जज्बाती जज्बाती क्यों होना जज्बाती छोरे स्वाग वाले छोरिया है नखराती नखराती नखरे दिखाती एक बस यही बात बोले रिपीट पे हम जैसा कोई कहा छोगाड़ा तारा चबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात छोगाड़ा तारा
बहुत सरस परफॉर्मेंस है. With this, we have come to the end of our nursery annual gathering. I must say, all the tiny tots were amazing.
Arnav's family, along with Sherman, have come back home.
So, Sherman, how was the program? Did you like it? Liked it. I loved it. Now I'm too excited to know more about India. Can you help me and my friends? Sherman already saw school has organized tour of India. That's wonderful. When are we starting? You all will leave tomorrow morning. So boys, it's time to sleep as you need to get up early. Yes, good night. Let us see the journey of all these children from Germany who are going to visit Indian states one by one.
Ram and Eva have arrived at the village in Belgaum, located in Karnataka.
Namaskaram, Appa. Guten Morgen. Namaste, everyone. Namaste, Nabha. Appa, she is my friend Nabha from Germany. Appa, I want to know more about Karnataka, so I have come here with Vivan. You know, our Karnataka is the hub of sandalwood and 85% of silk is produced here. Wow! I want to know more about it. Why not? Sure. Today in the village we have a celebration. We will go there. It will help you know about Karnataka. Take a deep breath. It is Karnataka, where green is just not a color, it's a feeling. Let us welcome Junior KGE to perform dance Akasha Bhuma based on harvesting.
ಆಕಾಶ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಮಡಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆದಂತ ಮುದ್ದಾದ ಮಗುವೇನೇ ಈ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹೃದಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಳುತ್ತ ನಲಿಯುತ್ತ ತಂಪೆರೆವ ತಂಗಾಳಿ ಈ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಇದು ಎಲೆ ಎಲೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ನೆಲೆಸಿರೋ ಹಸಿರು ಎದೆ ಎದೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲೆತಿರೋ ಉಸಿರು ಮನಗಳ ನಡುವಿನ ಸೇತುವೆ ಈ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಭಾವಗಳೇನೆ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಮೇಲಿನ ಬಣ್ಣಗಳು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ರೂಪವೇ ತಾನೇ ಎಲ್ಲೆಡೆ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಚೆಲುವುಗಳು ಪ್ರೀತಿನೇ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಚೆಲುವೆ ನಿಲ್ಲುಂಟು ಗಾಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಿರಾಗಿ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀಸೋ ಕಾರಣ ಪ್ರೀತಿನೇ ನೀರು ಜೀವ ಜಲವಾಗಿ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜೀವ ಜಾಲ ಕಾಯೋ ಕಾರಣ ಪ್ರೀತಿನೇ ಬಾಳೊಂದು ಹುಡುಕಾಟ ಅಂದಾಗ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ನಿತ್ಯಾನು ಹುಡುಕೋದು ಪ್ರೀತಿನೇ
ಪ್ರತಿ ಹೃದಯದ ಹೊಲದಿ ಬೆಳೆಯುವ ಪೈರು, ಹರಿಯುವ ನದಿಯ ತವಕದ ಜೋರು, ಅಡವಿಯ ನಡುವಿನ ಕಲರವ ಈ ಪ್ರೀತಿ. ಆರು ಋತುಗಳು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮಜಲುಗಳು, ಪ್ರೀತಿನೇ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ಏಳು ಸ್ವರಗಳು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ತುಡಿತ ಮಿಡಿತ ತವಕಗಳು, ಪ್ರೀತಿನೇ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಸಂಗೀತ ಎಲ್ಲಿ.
Really an amazing performance it was. I'm sure Emma must have gathered lot of information. They are going to perform. Now let us join Sita and Eva in a beautiful land that is Jammu and Kashmir.
Sita and Eva have reached Gulmarg, located in Jammu and Kashmir.
Hello, Uncle and Auntie. Meet my friend Eva from Germany.
Hello, Auntie and Uncle. I have come here to study and know about Jammu and Kashmir.
Come, I will tell you few interesting things.
What, Auntie?
Kashmir was a lake earlier, but it dried out. Ka basically means water, and Shmir means dried out. So its name is Kashmir.
Wow, Auntie, interesting thing. I would like to get some more information.
No problem. Today in the evening, I will take you to our culture fest. It will help you to know more about Jammu and Kashmir. Now, let us welcome children of Junior KGF, straight from the land of beauty and natural springs, also known as paradise on the earth.
They are going to perform on the song Pumbro, a very popular song their grandmothers sing to delight their children.
फिर जर्रा जर्रा महकेगा, खुशबू के मौसम आएंगे, रिंद पोशमाल गिंदने द्राय लो लो. सुनाने सारी दुनिया को एक सुर में सजाने, सबके दिलों से नफरत को मिटाने. आओ यारो मेरे संग संग बोलो, हे रिंद पोशमाल गिंदने ट्राई लो लो. आया हूँ मैं प्यार का ये नगमा सुनाने, सारी दुनिया को एक सुर में सजाने, सब
of India. चला आता जाऊया या छत्रपतींच्या, संतांच्या, समाज सुधारकांच्या भूमीला.
Raju and Fred have reached Mumbai, situated in Maharashtra.
आजी आजोबा आम्ही आलो. हा सविता फ्रेड. नमस्कार आजी आजोबा. नमस्कार फ्रेड. वेलकम होम. Would you like to come Marathi Sahitya Sadan with me? Today we are going to present State Song of Maharashtra.
Yes, we will get to hear melodious song along with a lot of information about the Maharashtrian culture.
Yes, so please tell me about the song, Aji. It is a song Jai Jai Maharashtra Maza. It is originally written by Raja Bare and composed by Srinivas.
And it is originally sung by legendary folk singer Krishna Rao Sabde, Rakashehri Sabde.
Wow, Aji Ajoba, we cannot wait any longer. Let's go.
तुमच्या पुढे घेऊन येत आहे गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा ज्युनियर KG क्लास.
Wow, Aji.
जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा, गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा.
जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा, गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा.
जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा, गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा. देश गौरवासाठी झिजला दिल्लीचेही तख्त राखतो महाराष्ट्र माझा.
जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा, गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा.
जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा. भिडे आसमंती ध्वजा वैष्णवांची उभी पंढरी आज नादावली. तुझे नाव ओठी तुझे रूप ध्यानी जीवाला तुझी आस गाला गली. जरी बाप साऱ्या जगाचा परी तू आम्हालेकरांची विठू माऊली.
छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की जय. छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की जय. प्रौढ प्रताप पुरंदर क्षत्रिय कुलावतंस सिंहासनाधीश्वर महाराजाधिराज योगीराज श्रीमंत श्री 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 छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की जय.
भवानी तलवार नर राक्षसांचा करुणी संहार. धरणी मातेचा तू केला उद्धार. जय देव जय शिवराया. आलो तवद्वारी आरती गाया. जय देव जय शिवराया. आलो तवद्वारी आरती.
जय भवानी
शिवाजी.
जय भवानी
जय शिवाजी.
जय भवानी.
जय शिवाजी.
छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की
जय. क्षत्रिय
go to Tamil Nadu with Veera and Angela. It is known as land of temple. It has about 33,000 old temples.
Veera and Angela have landed to Coimbatore, located in Tamil Nadu.
Vanakkam Patiappa. She is my friend Angela from Germany. Welcome, Grandma and Grandpa. The one who wants to know about Tamil Nadu, right? Yes, Patti. Angela, I must tell you that Tamil Nadu has second highest literacy rate in India, which is 80.30%. And we have the world's oldest living language, that is Tamil. You know, it is the official language in Singapore and Sri Lanka too. That's been interesting. Surely, I want to know more. Great. Then let's go to the village celebration where they are going to perform Karagattam. It is our folk dance. Wow, then let's go there. Let's welcome our junior KG children perform Karagattam dance from the song Mundi Mundi. The dance is performed to praise the goddess Mayamma, the goddess of rain and health.
முந்தி முந்தி விநாயகனே முப்பத்து முக்கோடி தேவர்களே முந்தி முந்தி விநாயகனே முப்பத்து முக்கோடி தேவர்களே வந்து வந்தெம்மை காருமையா வந்து வந்தெம்மை காருமையா வந்தனம் வந்தனம் தந்தோமையா வந்தனம் வந்தனம் தந்தோமையா வானத்துல சுத்துதடி 9 நவகரகம் பூமியில எடுத்து வந்தே தலையில தான் கரகம் உருளகம் வெற்றி வரும் உத்தம பழைய சரகம் உள்ள ஜனங்க இந்த பாட்டை கேட்டு கரங்க
Come on, audience. Let's have a huge round of applause for them.
போட இடி முழக்கம் கொட்டு மேளம் கேட்டு உட ஒலிக்குதடி நானும் பாடும் பாட்டு
பார்க்கத்தானே போற இந்த காளியோட ஆட்டத்தை.
Yes, yes. You know, Sita is going to take Felix to Haryana, also known as the land of Holy Legend and the land of India.
Sita and Felix have reached Kurukshetra, located in Haryana.
राम राम ताऊ के गेम से
मैं ठीक हूँ.
मारा दोस्त सेफ है.
Hello, I am here to know about Haryana. Haryana. You know, Haryana is the largest exporter of basmati rice.
That's real.
Our state is one of the richest states in India.
That's really interesting.
Haryana is also blessed with farmers, soldiers, and sportspersons. We will take you to a function at our village. People are going to perform a dance.
Angela, it will help you to know more about Haryana.
Then let's go fast. They are going to perform. आजादी की रक्षा केवल सैनिकों का काम नहीं, पूरे देश को मजबूत होना पड़ेगा. जय जवान जय किसान, said by Lal Bahadur Shastri ji with the spirit of patriotism. Let us welcome Sinaki ji to perform a dance on the song.
भारत के कोने कोने में धूम मची हरियाणे की. भारत के कोने कोने में धूम मची हरियाणे की. बिन बांसुरी ढोल नगाड़े गूंज सुनो भाई गाने की. बिन बांसुरी ढोल नगाड़े गूंज सुनो भाई गाने की. कर्म भूमिया धर्म भूमिया वीर भूमि हरियाणे की. बिन बांसुरी ढोल नगाड़े गूंज सुनो भाई गाने की. बिन बांसुरी ढोल नगाड़े गूंज सुनो भाई गाने की. घना सुरीला घना रसीला फोक सुनो हरियाणे का. ऊंचे सुर में गाँव रागनी शौक सुनो हरियाणे का. हंसा हंसा के पेट पाड़ तेरा चौक सुनो हरियाणे का. सबने फैल कर यो देसी पोप सुनो हरियाणे का. रसिया घूमर भाग खोड़ ऐसी बात किते नहीं पाने की. बिन बांसुरी ढोल नगाड़े गूंज सुनो भाई गाने की. बिन बांसुरी ढोल नगाड़े गूंज सुनो भाई गाने की.
Come on, parents, let's put your hands together for the kids.
मीठी मीठी गजल सुनो फिर नाटक गजब दिखावे रे. जंगम जोगी और सपेल ले सुर ताल में गावे रे.
an outstanding performance. Angela must have got really good information. Yes, that is true. You know, Rahim is going to take Galley to Hyderabad, known as Land of Nawaz.
Rahim and Geli have arrived in Hyderabad.
सलाम वालेकुम चाचू। वालेकुम सलाम, खैरियत से है? हाँ, सब खैरियत से है। मेरे दोस्त से मिले गेली।
सलाम वालेकुम चाचा।
वालेकुम सलाम बेटा।
Chacha ji, I am here to study about Hyderabad. I have heard lot about it.
Yes, I must tell you, Hyderabad is capital of 2 states, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. It is also known as City of Pearls. It is one of the oldest Indian royal cities, home of recent Nizams, who built number of forts, palaces and gardens. Giri, you should listen to Sufi music and well. It shows the love between man and God. Let us go to Sufi Sangeet Darbad.
Then let us get ready and go. मसरूफ रहते हैं दिन रात हैदराबादी, करते हैं दिलों पे राज हैदराबादी, समझते हैं दिलों के जज्बात हैदराबादी, यारों के है यार हैदराबादी.
Let us welcome Cine KGF Pawash to perform 700 years old Sufi song, that is Qawwali.
तेरे दरबार में दिल थाम के वो आता है, जिसको तू चाहे है नबी तू बुलाता है. तेरे दर पर सर झुकाए मैं भी आया हूँ, जिसकी बिगड़ी आए नबी चाहे तू बनाता है. भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली. भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली. भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली. भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली. बंद दीदों में भर डाले आंसू, सिल दिए मैंने दर्दों को दिल में. बंद दीदों में भर डाले आंसू, सिल दिए मैंने दर्दों को दिल में. जब तलक तू बना दे न बिगड़ी, दर्द तेरे न जाए सवाली. भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली. खाली भर दो झोली आका जी, भर दो झोली हम सबकी, भर दो झोली नबी जी. भर दो झोली मेरी सरकारे मदीना, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली. भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली. भर दो झोली आका जी, भर दो झोली हम सबकी, भर दो झोली नबी जी. भर दो झोली मेरी सरकारे मदीना, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली.
Come on, audience, let's clap for them.
Ali Ali dam 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 Ali 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 dam Ali Ali dam Ali Ali dam Ali 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 dam Ali Ali dam Ali Ali dam Ali 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 dam Ali Ali dam Ali Ali dam Ali 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 dam Ali Ali dam Ali Ali dam Ali Ali.
treasure. Now let us see Krishna. I heard he's traveling to Kerala along with Ada. Kerala is known as the land of Parshurama.
Krishna and Ada have reached Peri, located in Kerala.
Namaskaram Srikar. Namaskaram Krishna Sukamalle. Nanna Yeri Kundu. Good. Meet my friend Ada from Germany. Namaskaram Srikar. I am here to study about Kerala. Kerala. I must tell you this, that Kerala is known as God's own country and the land of spices with 100% women literacy. Is it? I am interested. The word Kerala means land of coconuts and backwaters and hillwoods are very famous. Is it? I am interested to know more. Yes, sure. I will take you to our community program. They are going to perform a folk dance of Kerala. Cool. That should help me to gather information on Kerala. Let's go. Let us welcome senior KG and students to performance of folk dance of Kerala on the song Arani Arani.
ആരാന്നേ ആരാന്നേ ഒത്തുപിടിക്കുന്നതാരാന്നേ തീയാടാൻ തിറയാടാൻ മാണിക്കക്കാവിലുറഞ്ഞാടാൻ ഓനാന്ന് ഓനാന്ന് എത്തുപിടിക്കണതോനാന്ന് നേരാന്നേ നേരാന്നേ കൂട്ടിന് വന്നതവനാന്നേ മണ്ണാന്ന് മണ്ണാന്ന് പൊന്ന് വിളയണ മണ്ണാന്ന് പോയോരും വന്നോരും ചോര പൊടിച്ചൊരു മണ്ണാന്ന് കതിരെല്ലാം കെട്ടണ് കെട്ടണ് പതിരെല്ലാം പാറ്റണ് പാറ്റണ് നിറവറയറ നിറയട്ടെ കതിര തന്താരാ കതിരെല്ലാം കെട്ടണ് കെട്ടണ് പതിരെല്ലാം പാറ്റണ് പാറ്റണ് നിറവറയറ നിറയട്ടെ കതിര തന്താരാ ആരാന്നേ ആരാന്നേ ഒത്തുപിടിക്കുന്നതാരാന്നേ തീയാടാൻ തിറയാടാൻ മാണിക്കക്കാവിലുറഞ്ഞാടാൻ
information to study further. Let us see where Erwin and Emma are traveling. Erwin traveling to the northeastern state of India, while Emma is going to explore to Himachal Pradesh. Let us first go and join Emma in Himachal Pradesh, where they are specially going to attend the dance Pahadi Nati. This dance is recorded in Guinness Book of World as Raja folk dance.
Pahadi Nati is a folk dance of Himachal Pradesh. I will tell you some interesting facts of Himachal Pradesh. Him means snow, Raja means lab of Himalayas. One more thing, the national highway from Manali to Leh is the highest motorable road in the world. Also, the national park is home to 370 kinds of animals.
Here we have senior KGG children who will perform Pahadi Nati dance.
नमस्कार, आज हम आपके सामने किन्नौरी, सिरमौरी और हिमाचली नाटियों का एक मिश्रित प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। तो आइए चलते हैं हिमाचल की
What a mesmerizing performance it was. Really, Himachal Pradesh is land of God and Goddess Devbhoomi.
Now
That
let us
was
join
really
Erwin and see what information he has got northern eastern states of India. Good evening, one and all. I hope you are enjoying the diverse Indian culture. However, there is a one prominent part of India which is still unexplored.
is the northeastern part, which is also known as Seven Sisters and a Brother. As the name suggests, there are 8 states in it: Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura, and Sikkim. So let us witness the cultural aspect of our amazing Seven Sisters.
Arunachal Pradesh. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. They speak Galo language. Their traditional dance form is Bardocham. Assam. Dispur is the capital of Assam. They speak Assamese. Their traditional dance form is known as Bihu. Manipur. The capital of Manipur is Imphal. They speak Manipuri. Their traditional dance is Jagoi. Meghalaya. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. Their native language is Khasi. Laos, traditional dance form. Mizoram. Capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. They speak Mizo language. Cherao is the traditional dance. Nagaland. Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. Nagan is a language they speak. War dance is a traditional dance. Agartala is the capital of Tripura. They speak Bengali. The traditional dance is Bisu. Sikkim. Gangtok is capital of Sikkim. They speak Bhutia and Leftha language. Their traditional dance is Ghantu. That was really informative. Finally, the kids are back home and together I really want to know how their experience was. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Finally, we all are back home. I really want to know about your experience of my country.
Yes, we like India so much. We dress up in different Indian clothes. People wear different types of garments and they celebrate different festivals. People perform very religious rites. They belong to our cultures. But the most impressive part is, in spite of these diversities, India is united. We must say India is truly the incredible India.
Incredible India, Atulya Bharat, tells us the story and a cultural diversity of Indians and explores the impact of history and geography on its arts and architecture of food and philosophy. India's diversity is what makes India stand out from rest of the world. It is a rich country with rich heritage and culture.
Good evening to one and all present here.
I, Bhageshri.
I, Sheetal, will now take you towards the most awaited section of this evening,
the grand finale. Ya ya maya ya maya ya.
Yes, you guessed it right. It is Goa. It is tiny emerald land with its natural scenic beauty. Let us welcome our little Goans from Nursery A who presented a beautiful dance with the passionate Kavita ma'am, dedicated and hardworking Rohini ma'am, with the loving and caring Kalpana Maushi.
Kemonacho, Bhalo, Kolkata, the birthplace of modern Indian literacy and artistic thought of Indian nationalism. Now let us call upon the stage the Bengali Didis and Dadas from Nursery F class on the stage with their enthusiastic Bhagyashri ma'am, creative Shraddha ma'am, along with their caring Maushi, Savita Maushi.
Chak de Fateh, Punjab, the land of 5 rivers. Put your hands together for our little Punjabi gabrus and mutiyas from Nursery G with their pleasant and cool Sarla ma'am and energetic Radhika ma'am with the helpful, kind Sheila Maushi.
खुशी खड़ी है जिस मोड़ पे we got to go that way, we got to go that way. कोई गलत या कहे सही, हमें किसी की परवाह नहीं, जाए जहां भी लगे जिंदगी, we got to go that way, we got to go that way. हम जो भी हो जाने दो,
Kemcho, Majama, Gujarat, the land of great legend, and also renowned for its beaches, temple towns, and historic capitals. A loud round of applause for our little Gujus from Nursery H who perform gracefully with their sincere and energetic Neelam ma'am, caring and passionate Veena ma'am, along with their quick and smart Savita Maushi.
we got to go that way, we got to go that way. कोई गलत या कहे सही, हमें किसी की परवाह नहीं, जाए जहां भी लगे जिंदगी, we got to go that way, we got to go that way. हम जो भी हो जाने दो, हम बेफिक्र चलते रहे, चलते रहे. दिल से कहो, कहते रहो, हम बेफिक्र चलते रहे, चलते रहे.
Namaskara. Karnataka, where green is just not a color, it's a feeling. I call upon stage our adorable kids from Junior KGE who mesmerized us through their dance on Karnataka music with their hard-working and patient Pranali ma'am, sweet and talented Lakshmi ma'am, with a helpful and kind Bharti Maushi.
छोटा सा है ये जहां, मर्जी से अपनी हम जिए यहाँ, सुबह किसी की हम है कहाँ, you know that we don't care, you know that we don't care. हम जो भी हो जाने दो, हम बेफिक्र चलते रहे, चलते रहे. दिल से कहो, कहते रहो, हम बेफिक्र चलते रहे, चलते रहे.
आओ यारो मेरे संग संग बोलो. Yes, they have come straight from Jammu and Kashmir, the divine land. Let us welcome Junior KGF along with their creative and enthusiastic ma'am Neerja ma'am, ever smiling Anuja ma'am, and very kind and caring Manisha Maushi.
चलता रहे हवाएं कहे सुन जरा तू भीगे ना कभी ये नजर हर लम्हा अब ख्वाब में दुआएं ऐसी बुन जरा तू
दुनिया की बातें बातें छोड़ के गमों की बाहों को मरोड़ के खुशी खड़ी है जिस मोड़ पे we got to go that way we got to go that way कोई गलत या कहे सही हमें किसी की परवाह
झेंडा स्वराज्याचा, झेंडा शिवरायांचा, गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा. चला तर मग बोलवूया आपल्या छोट्या वारकऱ्या आणि मावळ्यांना. Come on parents, let's clap for our students from Junior KG with the adorable and affectionate Komal ma'am, talented and artistic Geeta ma'am, with their kind and caring Durga Maushi.
दुनिया की बातें बातें छोड़ के गमों की बाहों को मरोड़ के खुशी खड़ी है जिस मोड़ पे we got to go that way we got to go that way कोई गलत या कहे सही हमें किसी की परवाह नहीं जाए जहां भी लगे जिंदगी we got to go that way we got to go that way अब जो भी हो
Vanakkam. I would like to call these young performers of Junior KGH who took us straight into the culture of Tamil Nadu with their graceful moves along with their smart and helpful Surekha ma'am, patient and hardworking Dipali ma'am, helpful and caring Madhuri Maushi.
हमें नहीं किसी से वास्ता अपना अलग ही है रास्ता सारे जमाने को है ये पता they know that we don't care they know that we don't care अपना तो छोटा सा है ये जहां मर्जी से अपनी हम जिए यहाँ सुबह किसी की हम है
Ram K. Kyanse,
Ma Tiksu.
the state of Haryana with the spirit of patriotism in heart and mind. Parents, let us welcome the showstoppers of Senior KGE with their enthusiastic Monica ma'am, dazzling Geetu ma'am, with their kind and caring Manjiri Maushi.
रुके न कभी ये सफर यूं ही चलता रहे हवाएं कहे सुन जरा
Now, let us go to Hyderabad, the land of Nawabs. I'm quite sure the prayers of these innocent kiddos has reached the God. Put your hands together for the students of Senior KGF who spellbounded us by their performance with their disciplined and loving Mansi ma'am, sincere and dedicated Gitanjali ma'am, and calm and caring Sarika Maushi.
गमों की बाहों को मरोड़ के खुशी खड़ी है जिस मोड़ पे we got to go that way we got to go that way कोई गलत या कहे सही हमें किसी की परवाह नहीं जाए जहां भी लगे जिंदगी we got to go that way we got to go that
Him means snow and Achal means lap of Himalayas. Wow, the Pahadi Nati literally blew our minds. Let us welcome CNKG Ji along with their fun and loving Amita ma'am, passionate and sweet Varsha ma'am with the helpful, caring Sunita Maushi.
दुनिया की बातें बातें छोड़ के गमों की बाहों को मरोड़ के खुशी खड़ी है जिस मोड़ पे we got to go that way, we got to go that way. कोई गलत या कहे सही हमें किसी की परवाह नहीं.
Namaskaram. Kerala is known as God's own country and the land of spices with highest literacy rate. Here they are, the young admirers from Senior KGH, along with their creative and loving Namita ma'am, graceful and loving Ruta ma'am, and quick and very smart Anuradha Maushi.
Ganpati Bappa Moria. Let's put our hands together for the kids who started our program with the blessings of Lord Ganesha with their rocking performance. So let's call upon CNKGI with their hardworking and caring Pallavi ma'am, sweet and sincere Anagha ma'am, with their kind and caring Renuka Maushi.
This event would not have been completed without the help of our melodious music teachers. So let us welcome our music teachers on the stage. Parag sir,
Ganesh sir,
Deepa ma'am,
and Nikhil sir. Now, let's welcome our beautiful and passionate dance teachers, Neeta ma'am,
Shweta ma'am,
Preetam ma'am,
Sakshi ma'am,
and Pavan sir.
Now, put your hands together for our creative and talented art teachers who added colors on the stage with beautiful props. Pawar sir,
Preeti ma'am,
Vimal ma'am,
Aishwarya ma'am,
Aboli ma'am,
Shalakha ma'am,
and Vishal sir.
The contribution to this grand event is incomplete without our outstanding, impeccable, and enthusiastic coordinators who made this event a grand success. Let us welcome Veena ma'am,
Gitanjali ma'am,
and Gitu ma'am.
We would like to express our gratitude towards our primary headmistress, Mrs. Rohini Zogrekar, and secondary headmaster, Mr. Dinesh Bandila.
The insightful guidance and collaborative efforts of the principal ma'am, Dr. Mrs. Anjali Gurjar, and headmistress, Mrs. Rajeshri Peshwe, were instrumental in steering the planning and execution of the event and ensuring its success. We would like to thank both of them for their continuous support and guidance. Thank you, ma'am.
This grand finale is an opportunity to express our gratitude towards our very own PT department. I request PT teachers to come on the stage, please. Put your hands together for Bhushan sir, Shobna ma'am, and Samarth sir.
It is worth mentioning here our heartfelt gratitude towards our ever supporting and hardworking admin and accounts department for their generosity and help. Put your hands together for our admin and accounts department.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our technical team. Without their support, this event wouldn't have been possible. Mahesh sir, Amruta ma'am, and Megha ma'am.
Now, I would like to call upon the face of PPSNC, ever smiling, chirping, and still tirelessly answering the parents, students, teachers, office, and everyone she encounters. Please put your hands together for our lovely, charming, and unique, the face of PPNC, Mrs. Diya Naik.
I express my sincere gratitude to the dedicated members of Student Council for their exceptional teamwork. Put your hands together for our Student Council.
Last but not the least, our dadas and maushis who never ever say no for any work given and work endlessly. Let us have a huge round of applause for all of them. Kishore Dada,
Nilesh Dada,
Shubham Dada,
Raju Dada,
Vipul Dada,
Aniruddha Dada,
Ambika Maushi,
and Ranjana Maushi.
Now I call upon junior KG children to propose vote of thanks.
It was really an amazing show, and it is very true that our India is incredible. I would like to thank each and everyone who has contributed for the success of today's program. I thank our principal ma'am, HM ma'am, PTM members, teachers, parents, admin department, and all our invitees. I thank all dadas and maushis who helped us. And last but not the least, all my friends from pre-primary who entertained all of us.
All the parents are requested to listen to the instructions carefully. You should collect your ward only after the national anthem. I repeat, you should collect your ward only after the national anthem. We request only one parent should pick up the child from the respective classroom in order to avoid overcrowding in the corridors. Kindly note, all the children are seated in their respective classrooms only. All the pre-primary classes are on the ground floor itself. Now, I request you all to rise for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की
जय,
भारत माता की
जय,
भारत माता की
जय।